Imagine never worrying about your water tank overflowing or running dry again. Meet the Obtech Automatic Water Level Controller, a smart device that automatically switches on or off your water pump to keep your tank perfectly filled. It uses a wireless water level sensor to monitor your tank in real time. Once the level drops below the set point, it automatically turns on the pump, and when the tank is full, it shuts it off instantly, and there is no wiring stress, no manual checking. And with the Obitech Smart app, you can monitor your water level remotely, switch modes, and control your pump from anywhere in the world. And from homes to offices, we are redefining smart water management. So subscribe to see how Obitech Automation is building the future, one smart system at a time. Like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.